Yeah. Yeah, I do this sincere. Okay, I'm ladies and gentlemen, yeah, I must confess I'm the best, fuck the rest. Cut a nigga arms off, turn a sweater to a vest. I got now, fuck who got next. I'm sending them over message to these niggas, no text. See the average where it's hot all day. Not talking weather, but the cops be on the block all day. Pluck a motherfucker, wear a Glock all day. If cockroaches want wars, bring my gun like Ray. You niggas suffered in a box full of crumpets, sticking shit up in the clock, the way it going dumping. You think you something till it's something, then you're nothing. Hold the barrel to your face and that bluffing. Yeah, don't got time for when to be broke niggas. See my time to when to be broke nigga. So why you wasting mine? Homeboy blown, waste your mind, but it be a waste of crime. I got so much cash I could drop it on purpose. Binocular style, you can see that I'm focused. My niggas got rounds if you want a gunfight. Brains on your left sleeve is how you get it done right. If you don't wanna get hurt, then you better come get me, cause I got me a knife to cut you above 50. Kill niggas like AIDS, dare you to fuck with me. You're fake, that's why you couldn't fuck with me, really. I'm too high to be falling. I'm too fly to be walking. Raise my gun like the sun in the morning. Blah! Turk off the shell while you yawning, nigga.